Good morning, students. Myself Sanjay sir from St. Michael Academy welcomes you to e-learning platform of R School. I hope all of you are quite fine at home, you are healthy and you are trying your level best to get benefits through our e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy. As you know that I am a teacher of English language and literature, so I have decided to teach you the second lesson of class 9 English book Moment entitled The Adventures of Toto. This lesson has been written by an important Indian writer Ruskin Bond. Adventure means heroic deeds which are generally full of laughter. Toto is the name of naughty monkey. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer who is popularly known for his thoughtful tales related to the promotion of children's education in our society. This Ruskin Bond writes in a simple and thoughtful manner that gathers a lot of readers, and his stories, generally I am talking about short stories, his stories are generally loved and widely liked by common people of our society. He has been awarded many awards like Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, and above all, the Lifetime Achievements Award given by Delhi government. He is also popularly known for his love for Indian culture and society. He generally selects some common topics of our society which are going to have very moral, full and very confident message for our society. As far as the present lesson is concerned, The Adventures of Toto is a story of a naughty monkey that has been bought by Ruskin's grandfather, who is a great lover of animals. His love for animals is reflected by his private zoo that he has made inside in a part of his residence. He loves to keep animals and he takes care of them beautifully and nicely. Once he was moving around the village, he found that a monkey was there with a tonga driver. The monkey was looking very beautiful. Its teeth, its hands, and its other sides of physical appearance are very attractive. The grandfather thinks that this is not a proper place for this monkey, so he decides to buy it at any cost. He goes to the tonga driver who demands 5 rupees for that monkey. He nicely pays it and takes the monkey to his residence. All other members of the family are not so happy, but Ruskin Bond, one who is young at the time, he loves all the desires which are expressed and commanded by his grandfather. There is a grandmother who generally goes against keeping animals at home. She is an iron lady. She makes it clear that animals should not be kept at home. They are the things to be kept outside of home. She is dominating also, so her desire, her intention is never disobeyed. So it is decided by the grandfather, and the Ruskin young child that the arrival of Toto should be kept secretly and it should not be communicated to the grandmother until unless a right time comes. So it is decided that Toto should be kept in the room where the narrator, I mean Ruskin Bond, used to stay at night. It means the Toto is decided to keep in the room that is related and that is allotted to Ruskin Bond. This is done only to keep it sacred, and the arrival should not be made over to grandmother, otherwise there may be disturbance and some nuisance inside the house. The grandfather is happy, Ruskin Bond is also happy, but whenever they go to see the presence of Toto inside that room, they are quietly disturbed. But the grandfather is inwardly happy because he knows that these are the habits of the monkeys. The monkeys are known for this kind of habit. What has happened inside the room, it's a beautiful presentation by the narrator. The monkey has taken most of the colorful papers and kept it into torn pieces. The blazer that is generally used and worn by Ruskin Bond is also torn into pieces, and it makes it clear that the monkey has tried its level best to be out of the room by arranging the pieces of the blazer into a long row. The monkey is not kept there again. Another decision is taken by the grandfather that it should be made a permanent member of the private zoo that was there inside the house of the narrator. There is a private zoo that has been owned and possessed by the grandfather because he loves animals very much and he likes to keep them inside that zoo, takes care of them and provides them different types of food materials. Dear students, the rest part of the story we shall learn in next video. So please go through it, try to understand it and try to do the maximum question which are covered by half the story, and it is given at the bottom of your book also. So wait for the next video. Thank you.